I was so indecisive whether I even wanted to come to uni this year, what I wanted to do, if I wanted to take a gap year. So originally I did apply for this course, and then I decided that I wasn't sure if I even wanted to go to uni, so I withdrew. Then last minute I decided again that this is the course that I wanted to do, and it was nice to kind of have Clirio to fall back on. So I was still able to study operating department practice here. The people that you can speak to through USW Clirio are so lovely. Like, the person I spoke to was so nice, and they made my experience so positive. And he made me feel very comfortable by giving me a step-by-step of what to do. So to have that kind of person who was really good at communicating with you and making it so clear, that was really nice. So if I could give any advice to anyone who's thinking of going through clearing, or if anyone's a bit sceptical about it because they don't know what it's about and what it's there for, I would say it's there for you if you're unsure. And even if you are sure and then you change your mind last minute like I did, I don't think it means that you're any less than anyone else who went through the usual UCAS way of applying. You both still deserve to be on the same course. You're there for a reason.